Hey guys, RayUMC here, and today I am gonna actually put my recording system to use, and we're back with Survival Island episode 6. So yeah, episode 5 was not a hit. Kinda sucked. Sorry. But that doesn't mean this episode's gonna be the same. Oh, we found the smallest island ever! I'm so successful. I'm the best adventurer ever. Look what I found. Oh my gosh. Ow, what the fudge? How in the... what? Really, Minecraft? You're really gonna do this to me? Son of a gun. Okay. Okay, let's up the sound here. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep going. So we're gonna go this way now because it looks silly. Alright, so I'm hoping I'm gonna get new subscribers because of a recording system. I think that's a big up, if you know what I mean. So yeah, hope you guys will enjoy this. And I'm uploading a video at the time I'm making this video of me talking about my recording system and stuff. So yeah, if you wanna, there's a link of the video of the recording system in the description on my last video. So if you wanna, whenever that, it will be uploaded by the time this is uploaded. So you know you're gonna check that out. Just okay. All right, so we've got an iron sword, and kind of sucks because it's not butter, and butter's the awesomeness, and that is a lot of squids. Hey! No, I'm not talking to you. Oh God. Okay, I gotta get out of here. Come on. Is there a double tap on boats? Ah! I'm gonna go ahead and turn this way. We're an adventurer. And adventurers. Adventurers. I don't know. There's water in your face. I'm splashing water in your face. Anyway. So, now since I've got a recording system, I might be able to get a intro. Whee! Says the people of the world, I guess. Anyway, so I'm hoping to find some land by the end of this episode. If I do, I'm gonna call it Land Ho. Okay, I'm getting bored. I need some waffles. Can I have some? Oh wow, that would be a good survival island right there. My goodness. Look at that. Okay. I'm gonna keep going. Alright, so there's water in my face. Water in my face. There's water in your face now. Losers. So whenever I look down here, looks like a giant, someone just completely crapped out squids. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of squids. Anyway, whenever I look down here, it looks like someone crapped on the ocean floor or something, just like everywhere. It's like the biggest lard ever. Something like that. So yeah. So someone said, I mean, no one said, but I said that I think butter is really awesome. I mean, don't you think butter's awesome? It's butter. It's butter. Butter. If you got butter. Butter. Oh, what the fudge? Did we find land? Land, I hope. No, it's not. So, yeah. I'm thinking about starting a new series not too long called The Country Builder, something like that. I don't know. And it's gonna be where I choose an island like I'm doing now. Like this would probably be one I would choose, and I create a country. I I get myself like 64 stacks of dirt, and I place it the way I want, like make mountains and stuff. So that was my idea. I thought that would be really good. So yeah, that's an idea. Good series idea. We're sailing all the way, trying to save the day. There's water in your face, you loser. Loser. Loser, 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 loser. Yeah, loser! Oh. So yeah. I'm very, 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 very happy. Like, about what? Because that was a lot of very, very's. I'm happy about having a recording system. Now you can see my skin clearly. And I look awesome. La 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 la. Yeah. Okay. Oh, come on. No arm. Don't do this. That's all I have to do. There we go. And then it should. Nope. Didn't fix. Screw it. Hey, son. It's a beautiful sunset. It's a sunset. We've got a sunset. We're happy all day. Come on. So yeah. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. Yes, I'm on a boat. Around Minecraft I float. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. On Minecraft I float. I am not a sailor, but my subscribers are awesome. Water in your face. Water in your face. Water in your face all day long. That is a useless piece of... Oh. Alright, we're just going to stop here for a minute and look out on to the beautiful shore for the day. Oh. No! Why does a boat break so easily? Oh my gosh, I guess we're stranded here. Once we run out of items. Okay. So, yeah, this is it's just a good view. Kind of sucks, but we'll go with it and say it's nice. So we're gonna go ahead and get a boat. We gotta get a boat. How am I doing all this in F5 mode? I never really... Okay. Alright. Alright, come on. Get in the boat. Okay, there we go. Alright. Gonna continue to travel. Gonna travel across the lands. We're on a motorboat. We're on a motorboat. Still on a motorboat. Alright, that's getting quite annoying for myself. Stop getting water on my face! Jeez. Oh, cranky. Sorry, subscriber. Goodness. I just stop getting water on my face! Sorry. Okay, I'm stopping, subscriber. It's not my fault. Okay, fine. I'll just get out. That looked awesome. Like that. Yeah, that looks awesome. Okay. We gotta continue across the shoreline. And we're not on the shore because, we're gonna continue across the ocean and try to find land. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and end off this video. If you enjoyed the video and liked the commentary, click that like button. And yeah, so that's it. And I will see you people later, and peace.